저는 꿈이 있어요. That one day I will grace the shores of Korea. I will see the red and orange leaves of autumn take over the greens. I will climb the mountains with open hands, embracing the winter wind. Snow White will fall on me, a feeling so magical. I will walk through small villages in the countryside and see the first spring flowers blooming. I will talk with locals and foreigners and make friends. I will eat kimchi and wear hanbok. Korea will be my other home. The key to the dream, the Korean language we must share. 저 이름은 프레셔스입니다. 한국어로 함께 배우자. 셋, 둘, 하나.